everybody. I have a super surprise Ryan's toy egg.
Wow. Let's see what comes inside, Theo.
Let's open it.
Okay. Go on then, you open it. Blah. Blah.
This is a lot.
Oh my god. What's inside? Whoa. What is going on, guys?
I'm open the top.
Whoa. Oh.
I'm
I think there's some sticky tape we have to take off. Whoa. What's inside?
this.
What's inside? You got a little Ryan superhero. What else? Ryan superhero keyring. What else, Theo?
This.
Wow. That's Ryan toy. Ryan's World.
I got this.
Stickers.
And a mask.
And
And a mask.
a mask you're going to put on. Let's put that on, shall we? Theo, let's have a look at the mask. Your Ryan's mask. Fix it properly. Make it straight on your eyes.
Okay.
Okay. Is that good?
Yep.
Alright, guys.
Open it.
We got this egg for £20 from Smith's Toys. This is what comes inside. Okay, we're going to open the toy. Whoa, who is it?
Ryan.
Let's have a look. Show us, Theo. Wow. Ryan, and you can play with him in the bath because he's plastic. Okay, what else are we opening?
This keyring and a giant toy egg.
Pluddy. Who's Pluddy?
That's a toy. It's a really stretchy thing.
Oh.
It can stretch a lot.
Oh, right.
This.
Who's that?
Red Titan.
Oh, it's Ryan the superhero. Let's have a look. Ryan the superhero keyring. Cool.
And look
Right,
at
what else?
Whee.
Ryan the superhero soft toy. You can put him next to your pillow on bed.
And look. Here's Ryan.
No! What did you do to his face?
Here's Ryan.
There's Ryan. Okay, what about the stickers? Oh, show us, Theo. Let's have a look at all those stickers. Let's have a look. Ryan's World stickers.
And
Let's
look
have
at
a
this.
Da-da-da. Right,
Should we get the stickers off?
Decca. All right, Theo, you want to stick them on your side of the bed?
Yep.
Okay.
Coffee Panda.
You're sticking all your Ryan stickers on the side of your bed. Is that so you can look at them at night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whee! Ryan in the rocket.
Ryan in the rocket. Okay.
Red Titan in the rocket. Gus in the rocket.
Yeah.
Ryan's actually in the rocket. And this is the character I got. That saying thumbs up. No.
Oh yeah, it's the same. It's the same. Ryan and the sticker. Okay. Whoa, they're going upwards.
And it's messy.
More stickers. Is that the last one?
Yep.
Last one that says Ryan's World.
I can't.
And Ryan's World stickers complete on Theo's side of the bed. You happy, Theo?
Yeah, let's play some talk. Machine.
Whoa.
Hello guys, I'm Ryan.
Hey guys. All right, Ryan and Theo, say bye-bye.
Bye!
Speak to you soon.
Yeah, okay.
All right, guys.
Yeah.